3, 2, 1!
I have been wanting to create a video where I tried party woo balloons. The balloons come vacuum sealed. Party woo balloons are easily found on Amazon. I picked a simple arch with crystal clear balloons. The balloons required me to peel them apart. And they were very powdery. Although they did inflate easily. And were soft and pliable. I only lost 2 or 3 balloons to accidental popping or defect. They had a clear, consistent color throughout. They looked like bubbles to me. And I had way too much fun playing with them. But anyway, back to work. After they were all inflated, bagged, and transported, it was time for setup. Putting on the finishing touches. I really liked the way the arch turned out with party woo balloons.